everybody. This is Dr. Murhi from RFC, and first, this is the end of 2021, and I want to wish everyone a happy new year and a healthy new year, especially in this pandemic that's going on. I really would like everyone and wish everyone the best to be safe and the best of health. Now, because of the pandemic, things have changed a lot, and also fertility should change because of the pandemic. So because of that, we have two very breakthrough innovations that we are releasing in 2022. I'm going to talk about the first one today, and the second one we'll leave it for another time. The first one is called At-Home IVF Kit. So At-Home IVF Kit is something that we got a patent from the United States for using it for IVF. And two, we have published about it regarding COVID-19, and it's been shown to be successful, similar to the Gentle IVF. Now, there is a lot of advantages for the At-Home IVF Kit. Number one, it's simple. What it means is that we do the kit for you, and then we mail it to your house, wherever you are in the United States or outside the United States. We will ship it to your house, and then it comes with packages inside it that's self-explanatory. That's number one. Number two advantage is it's low cost. It does not involve any injections. It's all pills by mouth, vaginal pills, and nasal spray. As you all know, the injections are expensive and too much on the body, so we have made it much simpler with lower cost. Number three, you don't have to monitor and come to the office every other day for blood and ultrasound. So that will save you a lot of trips and will make you, lowers your risk of getting infected by the COVID, since a lot of clinics nowadays and a lot of cities have high rates of COVID. And finally, the fourth advantage is it's as effective as the Gentle IVF, and we have published that, and I'm happy to share this paper with you guys as much as if you want it to be sent to you. So the kit, self-explanatory, it comes with this. It has, very quickly, it has medication, pills, every day. This is the day of your period cycle. Based on different days of your cycle, you have different kind of pills, colors. Once the color changes,